Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Riddhima and today we are diving into the fascinating world of English tenses. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started. What are tenses? A tense is a form of the verb that allows you to express time. The tense of the verb tells us when an event or something existed or when a person did something. Past, present, and future are the three main types of tenses. Now, what is the use of these tenses? Learning tenses is one of the most essential skills that is required while studying the English language. It is important while communicating both verbally and in written form because it helps us clearly indicate the time at which something has happened. So, if you wish to convey your message accurately in the English language, then learning about tenses becomes important. In the English language, tenses are considered the most important and integral part of the speech. Now, what are the types of tenses? There are three types of tenses. Present tense. The present tense refers to the action or event that takes place or is taking place in the present. It represents the current activity or the present state of being of the subject in the given context. For example, she drinks coffee every morning. Moving on to the next type of tense, we have past tense. The past tense form of a verb, as the term suggests, can be used to speak about or represent an event or action that already happened in the past. For example, I washed the dishes. Moving on to the next type of tense, we have future tense. The future tense is a verb which is used for a future activity or a future state of being. For example, I will jump in the lake. And there you have it, a crash course in English tenses. Stick around for more in-depth lessons coming your way. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and leave a comment letting me know which tense gives you the most trouble. Until next time, happy learning.